How to see Steam password while being logged in. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you through on how you can see your Steam password while being logged in. So if you're wondering how you can do those, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to see your Steam password while being logged in. So let's just get over the process and let's just get started on how we can do that. So for that, you need to open up your Steam on your laptop or PC. So go ahead and open up your Steam on your laptop or PC. And after opening up your Steam, you need to be logged in into your account. And if you're already logged in, you can go ahead and tap on the Steam at the top left corner and head over to your settings. Open up your settings of your Steam. After opening up your settings, you can go ahead and open up your account and go to the account details, where you should be finding a section called change password, which is a bit below. Just scroll a bit and you should be able to find this section under account security called change my password. Just go ahead and click on it and you can go ahead and change your password here. So unfortunately, only method we can apply in order to see our password is while changing our password. So due to the terms policies, we can't really see the password once we have already set up the password. We don't have the feature available in Steam that allows us to see the password. So the only method is, trying to re-log in, recover your account and resetting your password. And that is only the method we can apply for now in order to see a password in Steam. So follow up the method and you should be able to see a password. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.